in a smoother way, uploading. Yeah, please tell me, Preeti ji.
Yeah, I'm Preeti from
Hanji,
Mumbai.
hanji.
I often get feathers from in my house and dragonflies also.
Dragonflies is also sign of ascended masters and sometimes ancestors.
Yeah, and I have read so much of it. Even the flickering of lights and all come during nights and all, evenings especially,
How do
flickering
you
of
feel
lights.
when you have flickering of lights?
I feel presence of them. Like,
No, but is it very calming for you?
I have not realized actually. But
Please do that. Yeah.
before I used to getting very big feathers. Nowadays, small feathers are coming
That
each
is
every
okay. That
alternate days, or and there are no birds this thing around my house, but somehow in my balconies feathers are there. I
yeah.
just
So
want to
I
know.
have also come across a point where I've seen this really happening in my life. In a locked room, I'll find a feather. A
Yeah,
room that is not open, and
and
that was
sometimes
little. Yeah.
they fly from window and come on my hand and sit.
So do you
But
pray to your angels that point of time?
yeah, I have started praying also, because before I don't know all this. I knew some days back, and I have started invoking them. I've collected the pictures also now, keeping with in my room. But I just want to know, how can we find out our guardian angels and
It is
archangels?
with regular connecting connection, so that it becomes too much to explain in one short call. But I'll tell you in smaller pointers. Number one is you have to be connecting with them every day. Number two, you have to be releasing your blocks every day that are stopping you from connecting with them. Is what I told you, that it is not their limitation, it's our limitation that is within us, and we need to deal with it. They will help us deal with it though. Number three is dedicating time and being willing. That's it. ये तीन चीजें, when those are under check, you're sorted. Then you're, and also the point that you know that you're there, sorry, they are there, and you're surrendering your worries, your issues to them. So that
Okay,
surrender,
but I don't know why I'm not able to connect with them.
it takes
Any
a while. It's
particular
not like
time?
sabke saath.
Even I've started doing meditations online.
Yeah,
There are some on Facebook also of
yeah,
angels,
yeah.
and I like those Dinah Cooper's meditations, if you have heard. So I usually do, but I get vibrations in my body also. But I don't know why I'm not able to connect. I'm planning to host angels. What are your views about it?
Yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
it's a very
will it?
beautiful feeling to host them. Yes.
Yeah, because I've heard from my friend, and I'm planning. So it's easier for me to connect with them during hosting.
Yeah, you're not well. Why your voice is like this?
No, nothing is there.
Okay. Huh. So during hosting, what happens is we invite them to stay with us for a while. In fact, I'm a part of one hosting group myself, and we feel the presence, their energies. They come into our life to change certain things. They come into our life to bless certain things, cleanse certain things, all these things. So yes, it is a very beautiful way. But when it comes to your guardian angels, no,
Yeah.
in any case, you need to go ahead and make certain things, make certain changes, or start being in a way um, that you are able to feel their presence. You are able to connect with them a lot more, because there are times when you would want to take a message from them directly coming to you, instead of numbers, instead of messages. But yes, that is going little forward. First, you need to start establishing a connect.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You're
And
welcome.
what is the actual time? Means usual. What time is it? Early morning better to connect with them.
See,
Ram-
my understanding, I'll tell you, it is when you are feeling very joyful and free. There's absolutely no constraint of time when it comes to them.
Yeah,
If
and
you
even
think you're very fresh in the morning, go ahead and do it early morning.
okay. And I've also heard that they like love, they like cleanliness, they like fragrance. So I've started saging my house also, and Is it that there's no if it's negativity in family, they don't come to us? Is it like that? I mean, some clashes in family members. So is it
So I'll tell you what, why all
obstacle?
these things came into the concept. Okay, when you burn an incense, what is, let us keep angels aside for 2 minutes. When you burn an incense, what is happening? Is
You
your
feel
mood
fresh.
uplifted?
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah. You feel very nice. You like
yeah,
swaying, floating. When there's a lot of peace, when there's no clutter in your room, how do you feel? At
yeah,
peace, at ease.
yeah,
अगर कोई चीज यहाँ वहाँ होगी, you want to just go ahead and put your mind everywhere. But everything of that is in place. Your house is clean. Your work is done. It is a nice time of the day. You've also put a fragrance. What is happening? You yourself are elevating.
yeah. That's true.
That's the time to go ahead and connect with them. That's why all these things. But if
Okay.
your time is getting wasted into fighting with someone in the family, and that thing you're carrying in your mind, that means your mind is not cleansed. ध्यान कहाँ से लगेगा prayer में?
No, it's not for fighting. It's just
I'm just talking
negativity in
about
the
not
family.
you,
I
but
mean,
yeah, I'm just talking about anyone.
yeah, yeah. I got it. Thank you.
And I'm sorry I had to stop you. I wanted to give you also so much of time, so
Yeah.
I had to. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
No. That's thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can you please attend on 2nd of
Yeah, sure.
August? It is going to be interesting.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll connect with you for the healing of the animals, definitely.
Yes,
I
for
do,
sure.
I do hear bells in the middle, early morning. I think
Bells.
so, like trying to wake me up.
Just hang on for a second. Let me just, there's some kids' noise. I'll have to. Yeah, please tell me now.
I do hear ringing of doorbells
Come
in the
again.
early morning, but somehow I try to get up and then I again go back to sleep. I
Ringing of
want
what?
to sleep awake.
She said ringing
I'm
of
not able to.
doorbell. Doorbell.
Doorbell. Okay.
Yeah.
There's some kind of cleansing you need to do in life.
Okay.
That's it. But then it is a very good sign that they are waking you up. They are seeking your attention.
Yeah, that is the reason. What is the reason there? Because somehow I can't just catch up with that. So what should I do to keep myself connected to them then?
Have you taken any?
They're all the time with me.
Sorry.
I know they are there with me all the time, but they are waking me up early morning. They tried it ample of times, but then somehow I went off to sleep, very on and off. Even yesterday I was awake, and then I went off to sleep exactly at 3:40.
Yeah, so 3:40 you're more likely to go back to sleep. That point of time, just tell them, I'm sorry, I'll have to go back to sleep, but I acknowledge your presence. I acknowledge your blessings. Okay, but what you do after that is very first thing in the morning as you wake up, you pray to them. I've woken up and I'm remembering you. No, I love you.
Okay.
That way. So that way you will not end up feeling so bad inside you. Number one, that guilt will not come. And
that guilt
secondly,
is there.
yeah. And when you're going back to sleep, tell them, no, why don't we speak in the morning at 7? I love you. I'll speak with you at 7.
Okay. Yeah,
These things kept.
That is so beautiful, Siddhi. That was really beautiful.
All these I've gone through.
I just love this, what you said. I'm really going to do that.
Sure.
Even me.
And when, can I speak?
Yes.
There's many a times I feel there's somebody like, the glimpse when I turn back like twice to see, I feel that someone's there. Like,
yeah. So that point of time, what you need to do is just check in your heart. Are you feeling calmer after that? So for 1 second, you're just shaken up. All right.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
1 second of shaking up is completely okay because something absurd happened next to you. So you're likely to be that way. After that,
Yeah.
are you feeling joyful and calmer? If so, angels. And
Okay.
I'm sure there must be angels only around you because you do so much of animal welfare. People who
Okay.
are connected with animal spirits, people who are connected with animals, have this happening in their life. I was
Mm-hmm.
myself into all these things before I sort of took healing up, and now I heal them. So
Okay.
such kind of animal spirit presence is also around me.
I
So
have in my
this,
mind of learning this animal communication since a long time, and I hope God, shows me
you
the
will be,
divine right timing to do that, so I can be of more help to them. Is what I feel.
yeah, you will be receiving help.
Thank
Don't
you.
worry about
Thank
it.
you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you to you and everyone because of their questions. Also, ours so many we got the answers through them.
Yes.
That's what I was going to say. It is so many questions Preeti pick up. So we come to know the answers are for us also. So it is
For you.
through the angels, cities guiding us. I thank a lot for angel. Thank all the angels and Siddhi too. You're really good, and Bhavana, you're doing a very good job. Really, I
Thank
try.
you.
I want to do something like this, but somehow it does not happen. As I leave
You
it
may
on
be
God.
you may be doing something more better things. You know well.
Yeah,
Everybody does their in their own good ways,
you're
something
really
or
doing
the
a good,
other.
really doing a good job. And
And
Siddhi, you
I would like to ask Siddhi that what will be in your course like?
Okay, so what I go ahead and give in my course is number one, a basic of understanding angels and connecting with them. Every session starts with a meditation. I give
Okay,
homework every session. I give an attunement with Archangel Metatron.
okay,
Uh, After that, I go ahead and teach how to access past life records. I teach
okay,
about reading your own oracle cards. I teach about making your own oracle and the basic of candle prayers and diya prayers with angels.
candle prayers and
Diya
yeah.
prayers. Diya.
diya prayers. Okay, okay. And what if a person doesn't have a strong intuitive or a psychic ability? Are
Yeah,
they
that
able
all
to?
also we address. So see, sometimes surrendering is also a great. They are a, what are they? They are a smarter energy. They are a higher energy. I'll just simply call them into my life. They know what is happening all around, right? Isn't it?
Right.
So sometimes surrendering my problem to them is a better idea. But then usually the way we all are trained to be the control loving people that we do not end up doing this. Like, I want this.
Right,
This is
right.
what happens sometimes with me also. Like, no, I want only this. Even if it is lesser, I'm happy with this. But I want only yellow. I want only this.
How
So
do we
yeah,
help ourselves to calm the anger within us?
that is something one needs to go within. I'll tell you, a lot of times because of these things, we are not able to go ahead and connect with them. We are
Yes,
so occupied in our own drama of life that we are not seeing the
correct.
beauty that is all around, and even then. So the
So
way
true.
now, only answer to this is the way our body breathes in oxygen every second, breathes out carbon dioxide every second. Every day we eat, or once or twice in a day we go and let out what we don't need from our body. We sweat, we urinate, we do everything. So what we are constantly physically doing is taking in what's required, sending out what's not. Are we doing it with our thoughts? Are we doing it with our emotions? No. Are we doing it with our energy? No. All we've learned in our life is to work with our physical system. We've never learned to work with our energies. We've never learned to work with our emotions. The way there is a system, no day in your life you should go to bed without releasing your negative emotions. If nothing, what you do is take a paper, sit with yourself for 5 minutes, just noting down every emotion that you lived through, negative emotion that you lived through, once only. Tear it off, put it in dustbin, go to sleep. Identify which are the negative emotions I've lived through today, and I release them. Energy work is totally different, for which you should be little more aware of energies. Okay, but at least emotions and thoughts are something you are aware of.
Correct. That's wonderful. It
So
was
form a
really
system
wonderful.
that you start letting things out. Only then
Yes.
you'll make space for positive things inside, right?
Right. I have this habit of journaling good things, like, which I do daily, like 10 good things. So I think I'll need to do this now. So I
Good
balance
things
both
you
things.
need to retain in your book and in your life. Bad
Yes.
things you just need to tear them off and
Yeah. That's
put
what
it
I'm
in.
saying. What you said it. If I do that, along with that, it will give a good balance in life.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank
Sure.
you
Can I
very
speak?
much.
Charu.
See, if so the negativity, what you are saying, it is can I put even a guilt in me, inferiority complex in me? Is that a guilt or is that a negativity? Or my less lack of creativity, is that a negativity?
If you think it is lack, it is negativity. If
Lack
you
of
think
creativity. Because when I
it
see
is
others,
lack, right? Lack is the word.
lack.
If you think it is lacking, it is
Yeah.
creativity. If you think it is insufficient, it is negative.
Okay.
So negative, something that is bogging you down.
Yeah.
Some people have 10,000 per month and they're very happy. Some people will think 10,000 per month is lack of rupees. Lack as in LAC. I'm lacking. That lacking is the negative side. Because
So
you're not content.
because when I see others, they are creative, so creative, then I wonder, "Ki, where am I? What am I doing? I'm doing nothing." So that is what I wanted to say. Is that a negativity? Should I write down that?
Yeah, when you feel this lack coming into your life, you should. Because
Yeah,
usually it
because
happens when you're comparing. Yeah. Someone just yelled on the call something. I didn't realize what that was, but yeah. So
It was to the child.
it does happen. It does happen. Don't worry. When it is a Zoom call, such things happen. Don't worry.
That's life.
yeah, that makes
So,
our calls very interesting. So so okay.
so that I should write down every. Acha, one more clarity I require. At meditation, anytime prayers, can we do it any time of the day or any time of the night?
This is
Or
something Rajiv ji asked me yesterday about Mahalakshmi ji ka time sham mein hota hai, remember?
yeah,
Now I'll do the same exercise with you. You are here right now. What time is it on your clock?
it is 4 o'clock, 4-6.
Let's just say it's 4. Now,
Yeah.
for a while from here, you just pan out and go out in the universe. The earth is, you're leaving earth behind, you're going out in the universe, out, out, out. Now you see earth very far. You are in the solar system. You go further out. Now you see a galaxy. What time is it there?
Wouldn't know it.
Huh?
Wouldn't know it.
So when you're see what it is, God, angels, Devi Devtas, they are cosmic energies. Time is for us. Why do we say morning time? Because when we wake up, we have nothing in our mind. We are like clean slate, usually.
Okay.
With some people, they wake up with tension. They like it so much.
Yeah,
So
possibly.
when we are clean slate, on top of it, we start connecting with different elements. We take our shower, we get even more refreshed. And it's like fresher than what I was. I've had my enough sleep and everything. That means your energies are anyway lifting up. That is the best time for you to go ahead and connect. If you think you're managing your time, your physical body, your mental energies, your emotions well, and you are also building that thing up in the evening, earlier times, finish your work at a certain time, come back, have a shower, eat your food early, Then what will you do? You'll again go back and pray. Evening prayers bhi hote the, because again you finished everything. Now you're free. You're uplifted. You're time to lift up again. So what you're doing is you're just conducting yourself well. Cosmic energy is still there for you.
Yeah. So what I want to say, even if I get up in the morning and straight away go to the prayer room and do my prayers, or in the even after have a tea and breakfast, उसके बाद में कर लो बिना नहाए हुए कि मेरा time I am feeling comfortable that time. I feel connected that time. Is that okay? Or we
I
have to
like
have
to be fresh when I'm doing it because I think my energies rise up after I take a shower. And
Okay.
usually that is the funda with everyone. Water is a very, very healing element. When you're like showering yourself or pouring it down on you, it gives you another energy. And
Okay.
it again, apart from that, it just cleanses me. I feel very nice and refreshed. I feel lighter. मैं ऐसे नहाती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है मेरा 1 किलो वजन ऐसे ही कम हो जाता है. So
that is true, very true. But then again the routine starts at the kitchen. So
because you're connecting your kitchen worries with your shower. Do not. It just takes 5 minutes to have your shower. You can have it twice. You can have it thrice if you like. So
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
don't live. Just 1 second. Just one suggestion. Do not plan your way. Do not plan your day connected with your worries. Plan your day connected with your joys and happiness. I always plan my day. I have to pray at this hour. So I plan my day that way. All my class, everything is, all my even calls are at the time when I'm done with my prayer. I've done this for me. I've done this for me. Now I have time. So everything has time. So when I'm doing this, I'm free from everything else. My worries. Those are my worries.
Ma'am, I want to ask
You
you
answered
something.
the question in my mind, Siddhi, and I appreciate your patience.
Oh, thank you.
To listen to all of us and answer so patiently. So much of patience.
So what I
Salute.
wanted to say, it is okay if I do it anytime, whenever I'm feeling comfortable, right? Any time of the day, any time of the night, when I feel at peace, I can connect with God, right? Okay, thanks.
Oh, well. Someone was saying something from behind. Is it? कोई था पीछे? I don't know why I felt like that.
Ma'am, I want to ask you.
Please. Your voice was very low for me to hear.
Yes. Okay. I'll just see if it's complete sound. Ma'am, what you were talking about the diya or candle meditation, right? Some time ago.
No, those are prayers. Those are formal prayers.
Okay.
So if I wanted to go ahead and work on healing relationship, healing monies, healing something else, there
Okay.
are ways to set your prayers to your angels. There are certain ways you do it. So
Okay.
that is
Ma'am,
what.
and if I want to connect with angels, so the morning times is the best time. Like as soon as you get up in the morning, and you just connect at least 5 minutes, as you said. 5 minutes is also equally
5
more
minutes
than
is
enough.
okay. Yeah. They will not shout at you, not teachers. Angels they are.
I want to share my friend's experience with you.
Yeah.
Suddenly one day, what happened? I got a message from my friend stating that she sent me a pic, and she said, "See, there's an angel," and I could not believe first. But then I saw it's near. There is a Bhagwan Ganpati's statue over there, and there was no electricity at her place. So she sent me a small pic where there is a bluish green light was there, and
Wow.
I could actually see the feathers. I will send
Wow.
you that pic of, ma'am. I will send you on your WhatsApp that pic.
Please do that. I would love to see it. I mean, because
And
I'm
ma'am,
connected
you will
so.
not believe. And the moment I saw it, I couldn't believe first. And then I thought, yes, I want to learn angel therapy. This is the time. If my friend can invoke angel, why not me?
Wow.
I will send that pic. It's actually a bluish green light, very small, and you could actually see the feather. I will surely
So
send you on your
pretty.
WhatsApp. and she
Yeah,
sent that picture to me, and that pic to me, and she was so happy. She said, Kavita, I'm getting goosebumps, I could see the angel, I was doing angel
क्या
meditation,
बात है.
and I
Oh,
called,
nice.
and said, here it is. I mean, like it was a dream come true to see that pic of my friends. So even I would love to call angels, like, and then I felt yes, I also want to call angels. This is the time, and
So nice.
I now, as days are passing, ma'am, I just want to get connected to them because I'm going through a very difficult phase in my life professionally, and I really want their help now.
Sure.
In spite of doing 200% work, I am not getting what I want.
Okay. You
So
need
this
to
is
have
the
little more faith and surrender it to them. Don't worry. They do help. In fact, I'll tell you about my life when I have come into very, very tight spots in my life, into such a situation where I had absolutely no hope. I was like at zero. I don't know. एक हफ्ते में मुझे किसी को जवाब देना मैं क्या दूँ. In that point of time, it was only one thing I could do is just raise my hands and say, sorry, I cannot do anything. But that's not me. I would not be able to do it. So I just surrendered to my angel, saying that you please go ahead and find something out. I have nothing. I'm raising my hands in front of you. I cannot do it with others. Okay. And you will not believe, in 2 days' time, one of my cousins calls me up and he gives me exactly the solution that I needed. And that happened with me. It can happen with everyone. All you need to do is just surrender well. Whoever you believe in, whether it is your angels, Ganpati Bappa, Hanuman ji, जो भी हो, go ahead and do it. कोई टेंशन नहीं. एक बार ट्रस्ट करके देखो. ऐसा बोलो.
okay.
Are,
Thank you.
are orbs different than orb?
Orbs, yes. So sometimes we see them in pictures. Sometimes we see them in even sky.
Yes.
Sometimes you'll turn your lights off and you'll see कुछ तो है room में.
Right.
But they
right.
give you a very nice feeling. These are also the signs that angels are present with you.
Okay. But they are not angels. Orbs are
Light beings.
indication
So
of angels.
orbs also means that they could be your animal.
Sorry, your voice
Orbs.
went away.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Orbs also mean that they could be your animal spirit guides. They also mean they could be just
Okay.
spirit guides or ascended masters. But usually orbs are good presence.
Right. Yes, yes.
Can
You
I
feel happy when they are around.
Yes.
Angel has come down right now. Since last 2-3 days, I was looking for a sweet word for my daughter's getting married. And that thought was coming to me right now. Just right now, saying now, as you said, now you surrender to angels. I just said I'm surrendering to angels now for my daughter's getting married, for getting the. And there was a message.
Congratulations.
And there was a message to for the switch word key for key, this is the switch word you have to go on chanting for getting them married. Since 3 days I'm waiting. That person was always on the spot to answer. Since last 3 days he's not answering, and I was desperate about it. So now when you said you surrender your problems to angels, I just surrendered. I said I'll surrender my daughter's marriage problem with them. And now he's just answered on Facebook.
Touch wood.
Congratulations.
So it has come to angel only, the answer. I just surrendered to him. Now you take care of my daughter's marriage. And there was a switch word come down from that person whom I had asked to scan that number.
Live testimonial for you, Siddhi.
Yes.
Please share it with others on group, and if possible, do a video for me. See, I'm being greedy now.
I'll just not only send it. Divakar Manapali, he's very good at switch word and he's guiding people very much, and he's always prompt in answering it. So last 3 days I had a query with him, okay, please guide me. My time is running out, and he was not answering. And I was now when he has just told me, you just surrender to that, you just guide it to somebody else, right? Kavita, you surrender So same way, I just thought at that moment I thought it's under my this problem with angels, and there I got the answer to chant from Divakar Manapuri.
So this you'll please do for me.
Oh,
This you'll please do for me. Thank you.
definitely, definitely.
See, when we sometimes like when I'm sleeping and in the deep slumbers, all of a sudden I see or hear particular words, like a
You
single
need
word.
to keep a journal and start noting them down. You
Okay.
receive your messages this way also. There are dreams also that give you messages. There's an entirely different guidance method that is called dream interpretation. You've
Okay.
seen a dream, I interpret it for you, and I tell you what it means and what's going to happen and what
I don't see
kind of a
dreams.
message.
I don't see
Yeah.
dreams. I don't get dreams.
But
But
you
I
see
just get this.
numbers, that also means those are messages. So in that case, you go ahead and note them down.
Off late, I'm getting words, like a
Go
single
ahead,
word.
note them
Like
down.
sometimes if I have some query or something in my back of the mind which I'm looking for, like in a day or two, like I get some word for it. So do I connect to that because I'm not too deep into it? I thank the gods and angels for that, whatever message is sent. And I ask for guidance also to get it related to for what it is sent.
Yes. No, go ahead, do it, note them down. When you're not thinking too much about it, no,
Yeah.
and you just browse through the book again and you'll see your answer forming in front of you. Just like that. Give this a try.
Sure. Thank you. I do this of flipping pages and looking for answers with two of the books I have. Like, one is Laws of the Spirit World. I read it, read and read it. Whenever I need for some guidance, like I just open a page and I get like the answer what I'm looking for to go ahead.
Yes.
That book has changed my thoughts, huh?
And the
Yeah.
other is Louis Hayes, You Can Heal Your Life.
You can heal your life. Yes.
Yeah, that is one kind of a like Bible, you can say. I possess those two books.
I
with
like
me.
the chart she's made at the end of the book.
Ah, yes, wonderful. Thank you so much for your time and patience with
You're
Thanks a
welcome. You're
lot,
welcome.
God bless you. I'll do write down the testimonial right now.
Chindi, one more question.
Yes, please.
With the Zoom meet, the instant answer I got. from the
Yes.
angel.
Mr.
Thank you
Rajiv.
so much.
Mr. Rajiv is I think needs to ask something.
Yes, yes,
Mr.
yes.
Rajiv.
Please, Pushina.
Yeah, I just want to know if there are certain angels assigned to us, or can we choose our own angel?
Yeah. So the ones who are assigned to us, we are born with minimum 2 of them.
Okay.
There are people who have more number of angels than 2. I can clearly see and say Bhavna having more. Because she's in 2, she would have definitely more number of angels logically, because she is doing animal welfare and she needs more help.
Okay.
There are people who are, when they start getting into spiritual line, spiritual realm, start getting more number of angels assigned to them. There are light beings who come and help them a little more. They give a little nudge. They clear certain doors open for them so that they can go ahead and start helping others. But they see that the people with pure heart and clear intentions and wisdom, they are the ones who get them more often, helping them. So, minimum 2, those are called guardian angels. Apart from them, there are archangels. They come and help you as and when you call out to them. There's no doubt that they come and help you.
Okay. No, supposing, like you said, Devta or Devi, supposing I want to connect with, say, Ma Padmavati.
Haji.
So how do I proceed? Like,
Jain Cho?
there,
Jain
Jain
ho
Cho.
aap?
हाँ,
Okay.
मैं Jain.
So I'll tell you what. This is same Ram Bhagwan concept. ठीक है?
Okay.
हनुमान जी को प्लीज करना है तो क्या बोलना है? जय राम जी करेक्ट?
राम जी की, हाँ जी,
पद्मावती देवी को प्लीज करना है तो सबसे पहले पार्श्वनाथ भगवान के चांट्स करना है, बिकॉज वो उनके आराध्य है
राइट,
देव. So first of all, you start doing Uvasagga Haram,
वो सगरा, ओके,
Navkar and Uvasagga Haram.
ओके,
After that, you go ahead and chant Padmavati Devi's chants. There's so many of them.
या, ओके,
And
Do
अपने
it
basic से, sorry,
27 times you need to do the chanting of Vosagram.
it's okay even if you start with 3. 27 is ideal for sure. And there are people who do Uvasagga Haram 108 times, 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but it's okay to go ahead and do 3. Just if you don't have time है तो आप 27 करो. But जब भी आप कर रहे हो ना, I've seen the happier you are, more joyful you are. मैं जब भी Uvasagga Haram करती हूँ ना, I sing it. मतलब गा के करती हूँ, मतलब खुशी से करती हूँ. It's a स्तुति of
Yeah.
Bhagwan. So
Yeah.
go ahead and sing. Even when I connect with angels, no, I like to connect through joy. मुझे चाहिए तो मैं उनके लिए गाना भी गा दूंगी, कुछ नहीं है तो पिक्चर का गाना सुन लो आज. चलो. So go ahead and do all these things. Yes, I don't do picture का गाना though, Bollywood, but do something for them that will please them and
ओके,
be a little more attentive of you.
Ma'am,
It's
I
not
want to
about
make an angel altar. How to make an angel altar at home?
angel altar is completely different topic. This is today's about angel messages, but I'll tell you just 2-3 tips on that. Go ahead and put a few. First of all, cleanse the place completely. Put an altar cloth. You can just make altar with angel pictures. You don't need big idols. You don't need fancy things. If you need to keep the place energized, use incense. Use some kind of sound, like bells and all, and keep it simple, nice. And if you're going to go ahead and put your lights, please observe utmost safety measures. चाहे आप दिया लगाओ, चाहे आप कैंडल लगाओ, जो भी करो, सेफ्टी ऑब्जर्व करो. अगर आप कपड़ा लगा रहे हो, कांच के ऊपर करो, वुड के ऊपर नहीं करो. एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड टू गो अहेड एंड टेक केयर.
You have to place any idol of the angel or any particular, no?
You can place a picture, no? Laminate it and yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
okay. Thank you, Siddhuji. It was a wonderful session,
Thank you.
and
Thank
may you
you.
be
Thank you,
surrounded
Siddhi.
may you be surrounded by angels at all times.
Yes, thank you so much. May I get everyone's blessings. Thank you.
Tathastu, tathastu to what Rajiv ji said.
Thank you,
Tathastu.
thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy.
Now,
Today's session is a फल गया मुझे.
So are we, like, you know, you're giving in so much of your patient time and energy to listen to each one of us so deeply and answering it so well, like, you know, till we our hearts content. So that is really appreciated.
Thank you. So everyone, once again, before we bid a goodbye, please be there on 2nd of August. There will be links shared on Golden White Light. There's going to be a call about angels. 2nd August, 11:11.
Yeah,
Yep.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Definitely.
Thank you so
Definitely.
much.
Thank you very much.
તમને ખૂબ શાસન દેવી તમારી રક્ષા કરે અને તમને ગાઈડ all the time.
Thank you. This
Thank
means
you.
so much to me. So much to me.
સેશન બહુ સરસ છે. સેશન બહુ
Thank you
સરસ
to,
છે.
thank you to each one of
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Siddhi.
Thank
See you.
બહુ સરસ છે.
I'll connect
Thank
to
you. कौन बोल रहा है पीछे? सेशन बहुत सरस है.
પ્રસાદ SAD.
Thank you, Prasad ji. Thank you.
Thank you very much for everything. God bless you and keep you happy eternally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your blessings. I'm very happy. Thank you.
Everybody happy eternally. All the
Thank you. Thank you, Charuji. So nice seeing you.
Yeah, no, everyone's faces are smiling so nicely. So
But
touch
other
wood,
people,
stays
not
with
everyone. Thank you. Other people are not have put their video on, so we cannot see their lovely smile.
that they'll have to show it to you all.
Yeah.
If anyone's willing, please come on to the video.
I want to ask Bhavna ji. Bhavna ji, are you the same Bhavna ji on Priyanka Gode's
Yes,
numerology? Same.
yes. Numerology, yes, I've learned
Yeah.
from her only. Yes,
Okay. So you're quite active on the group.
yeah, thank you. I don't like to be dormant. जो है दिल में बोल दो.
Oh, my Facebook page is Yana's Healing Studio.
Okay,
Okay. I'll catch up
And
with you.
I was just telling you, you can be live there too sometimes.
yes, definitely. I'll just do
Sure.
it right away after the call. I'll do it right away.
No,
Yeah.
that was just very kiddish of me, but yeah, I just
No,
enjoyed
no,
doing
no.
that.
Nothing is kiddish. You can always ask for anything, like how we ask you. It's absolutely okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. But I'm
Chalo.
definitely going to connect you for the animals, Siddhi. Definitely.
For sure, please do that. I will be more than happy to do that. That is something I do out of a lot of passion.
Yeah. All my these my the elder one which I've adopted, she completed 5 on the 1st of July. And the
Okay.
younger she completed her 3 on the 1st of Feb. Both are
Okay.
females. Yeah. But like initially 1.5 years they were together, but after that they can't see eye to eye. We have to
I
keep
have
them
a
in
9 years
separate.
cat at my home. He's sleeping outside right now because he likes to be around my mom.
Ah, but this my Snowy, the elder one, she's last almost 55 days she suffered with her eye ulcer.
Oh
An
my.
ulcer in her eye. Like I really, I started with the allopathy doctors thinking ke wo like infection kuch hoga. One vet, second vet, seven days course, nothing worked. Then I went to an eye vet and she ruled out it was an eye ulcer. Her medications, her medical procedures of debriding, of scraping of the cornea ke upar tha, to wo two procedures were done. And not even 1% result was there. Then I started with my friends who are healers, with them and homeopath medicines. So the healings, the prayers with my friends, everyone, my dear, my loved ones, everyone, they prayed. And the magic of prayer really works, and I believe in it. They are miraculous, and the healings. And if you must be knowing Terry auntie, Dharminder auntie, with her help with the, crystals, I used to stroke her daily, as she said. And all those combination, like it worked, and like within a week, like 40 plus days she suffered. In a week of these all things,
She
modalities and
recovered.
homeopathy, yeah, she recovered. And then when I went to the IVET, she was astonishingly surprised. Like she had
Where do
already
you
fixed a date
stay?
for surgery. I saged the house, I saged her. I did everything which I could, because
She's so lucky.
I didn't want her to go under the knife, and get a scar in her eye and her vision blurred. Because my gut was saying, my gut instinct, that she doesn't need to go through the knife. So I
You're all
waited. I waited, and I told my eye surgeon to hold on. She had already pre-scheduled her surgery for earlier Friday. Then I went to her on Tuesday, the next Tuesday after the surgery was decided. I called her up and I said, okay, please hold on. And I asked if it is an urgency. She said, no, there's no urgency to do it. So I said, so can we please hold on? And then when I went through all this, and then she also was surprised, So I believe angels are there, and they
For
do
sure.
help. Prayers do help, and your self belief does help.
Yes.
Yeah, one thing is that without universe, we couldn't have been connected. Without
Yeah,
angels,
see.
we wouldn't have
True,
been
yeah.
connected right now.
That is true.
So
That is
that
for sure.
in a way, God is guiding us in every way, every form. So I take it that way. And
Yeah.
you are definitely, yeah, the
The
same
two
something.
most important things is the faith in yourself and the universe. Shraddha and Shavuri, the patience and faith. If we have
Yes.
that, everything works wonders.
Yeah,
Yes.
take everything positively. Whatever happens, take it positively. That will
Yeah.
really make a lot of difference.
That
Take it.
that healed, and the very same evening, Siddhi, she developed the allergy when I came from the eye vet clinic. I thought that she must have been prescribed some eye drops which have been caused her allergy. So I immediately called the doctor. She said no. But still now it's more than a week she's suffering for that,
No,
her
no, please
skin
send a
allergy.
picture. We will do something regarding
Yeah.
that.
Thank you so much.
I'll also add you to the group, so it'll help all of them. You can keep posting on the group.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so
This
much.
is clearly healers who've come together to heal them. So very pure, very
Oh,
nice
lovely.
energies of the group.
God bless all of them.
Yeah. In fact,
Okay.
Vani ji on our group also, who's here right now, she's also happens to send prayers for each one of them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
I think she
Hi.
must
Thank
be
you.
on.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So
Hello.
she and her mom also keep sending prayers, and
Yeah,
she
my mom
has a
is very
lovely.
religious.
Vani herself is a very lovely small. I don't know whether she's a pup, but yeah, she's a grown up, but looks like a pup.
Yeah, no, he's gonna be 1 year now in August.
Oh,
Okay.
so
So
yeah,
and he's
still a pup
fractured
then.
his foot. He's fractured his foot. I don't know if I sent the picture. I think I sent it. Huh?
Oh,
You did, yes.
Yeah. So
God,
he's yet
God
in
will
back.
do best for him and heal him soon.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, he's
So
in quite a bit of pain, but he's very happy. He hops around very happily. He just doesn't like that, that Victoria cap we have to keep so he doesn't bite his bandage. You
Ah,
see
ah,
the
ah.
Victoria cap, so he hates that. That's the only thing bothering him. Otherwise, he's dancing on 3 feet. It's like literally he almost smashed my toes with his that metal rod thing. He
Oh
almost smashed
God.
my toe twice. Yeah.
Oh my God. I know they don't like to be tied or worn. Even she worn that cone collar and she was whining and crying for the first
Yeah,
day. But I
collar
said
only.
it's for, yes, that is for their good because she should not scratch her eye,
Yeah,
because
true.
there was a lens put in her eye. Lens was there that should not have been removed. So for that protection, she was advised to wear. I know we used to like be 24/7 besides her, holding her paw when she's eating or sleeping, so she can sleep peacefully
So
without the
sweet.
cone.
Yeah.
how much of dedication is that? Wow.
Ah, she's come
Really,
for a reason, I think, in our life, and she's always has brought good luck to us.
Yeah.
She just
Amazing.
found her way to us. She was 2 months old. She was attacked by 4, 5 big dogs. And inside our house, we could hear her cry and whine, 12 in the night.
Oh my God.
And we went and saw, and we just shooed away those big hounds. And she was
Mm.
bleeding with her flesh out. Immediately, that moment, we wrapped her in a towel and took her to SPCA, Parel,
Huh.
the animal
Okay.
hospital. We admitted and she was there for 25 days, because her recovery, her immunity power was less. Doctor said she takes time to recover.
Okay.
And then when she was released from there, I said we can't put her back on the road to be eaten up by the bigger hounds
Yeah.
again.
I know.
So this is how she came to our house as an angel.
So sweet.
Sweet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, all of you.
Koine, I'll get
Hello.
going. Yes.
Yeah, yes.
And thank you, each one of you, for making my session very, very special. And tomorrow is going to be an angel card reading online. I will share the Zoom link and timings. And 2nd of
Okay.
August will be our call. I hope to
Okay.
see you all in both the sessions.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you millions. Thank you millions.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.